All right, welcome. So this is a demonstration of the patches that we'll be making in context. So I have a little groove, it's only a couple of minutes. I've just made a simple little bass line and kick drum pattern with a bit of a melody down here, and then the rest of it, all the effects, that'll be all the stuff that we'll learn in the masterclass. So I will play it all together first, and then afterwards I'll solo each track and show you how they all sound separately, one by one. So I'm just going to press play and we're just going to listen to this for the first couple of minutes. Alright, so that's it in context as a piece of music. So let's just break it down and go through one by one to the first. Well, it's not an order, I'll just show you the first one here. Okay, so if I just double click on the MIDI track first, that's how the MIDI clip looks. Alright. So it's just full like that. All right. So I'm going to just double click now on the actual track itself. So we're going to have a little look. So I've got an arpeggiator and it's a drum rack with a few things. So let's have a listen to that. So complete random, every time it's different. Play with the kick drum. Very nice. Nice. So that's the that's basically a drum rack being triggered by an arpeggiator. Randomly, and then we have this expression control randomly affecting a few other things, and then also I've got this random thing here which is basically choosing how often it goes to certain areas in the drum rack, and then a load of post-processing. So that's how that one sounds. So next thing I want to do is go to the next one. So I believe the next one is here. Okay, so let's was it this one? Well, yeah, no, they're both a part of it. So let's have a listen to this one. All right. Okay, so this is just kind of pitch modulated thing. So I think the LFO is mucking around with the coarse pitches, and then you got an arpeggiator randomly throwing it all over the place, and then also you got a bit of looped envelope stuff. You can see that moving around. Alright, so let's go to the next one. Quite a similar thing. So we're having we've got a frequency shifter this time with the sample on hold randomizer set to the sequence, and then a couple of other LFOs mucking around with the coarse values, and a arpeggiator also randomizing here as well, and then got a looped envelope, so some post-production on that too. So that's similar to this one here. So now I've got this other one here. So this one I'm using the probability ARP, and then this melodic probability, and also the expression control. So the probability ARP is basically randomizing the octaves it's using, it's randomizing the style, it's randomizing the length, and then here it's kind of running through a couple of patterns here, and then I'm randomizing with the expression control a load of things on the operator, and also put some post-production stuff as well. So what I'm going to do is just play all that stuff together. That's it. Yeah, so there's 4. So it's all pretty mad, but you can hear in context it sounds pretty cool. And this is some of my favorite stuff to do in Ableton. And you could do this kind of stuff in pretty much any DAW, really. I'm pretty sure they all have their equivalent counterparts. So yeah, there's your demonstration. Onto now the actual tutorials where I'll show you how to make each one of these patches. So let's vamos.